Can't even see my anime face.
Oh yeah. Wow. You can't look at my anime face. That is weird. Wow.
Am I still screen recording?
They must have like extreme shyness. I never figured out what this little guy's extra level, the 3 little things of the bite mean.
Of the what?
Or crunch, I guess. Crunch. But when he does crunch, it has 3 different colors, and like you can choose what it does.
Oh, you were doing Feraligatr.
Yeah, I figured Quilava was probably overkill on the attack.
Yeah, kind of need like 2 potentials. Oh no, my little friend's gonna die. There's 30 coins down here.
Okay. Me and Snorlax, we got, okay, yeah. Snorlax, you can handle up here. Don't follow me, please. You defend the north. You'd be good north defender. Let me do my like middle thing here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. Yeah. Big money. Super big money. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Pikachu.
Oh my gosh.
I'm Feraligatr. Wait, don't score yet. Don't score yet. Okay, score.
I didn't even think too.
Oh, I have done it. Done it, done it.
I have done it.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh no, buddy. Careful.
No way. I'm not careful.
You're on 3 against whatever.
I know.
3
But I also have
against you.
crunch. And if I use crunch correctly, I heal myself immensely. Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah, but okay, let's try it.
Dun, dun, dun. Okay, come on, Lex. Look, I'm doing okay.
You're doing great.
Dun, 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 dun.
Very good.
Okay. Now I'm out. Now I'm out, but I had to, like, you know, let them know that I was the boss. Dude.
No,
Oh, they got this north one. Oh no, their boss.
Yeah.
They were paying
Oh,
attention.
no.
But there's
Well,
the one in the south.
They kind of weren't. We were just doing the work, and then they came in and swooped it.
Oh really? Wow.
Yeah.
That's even worse.
It hurt a little bit.
And I wasn't even paying attention. I was really having fun. I was distracting him.
Yeah. There's some corn right here. Okay. Bird guy, I think is gonna get it.
Haunter, you haunting haunter.
That was so cool. Bird did their unite move, and I had another tornado thing. And then, good. So cool. I should try Brave Bird. I should be brave and be a bird.
Sounds like a good philosophy.
Yeah. Gotta fly free. I'm free to fly.
Okay, so I'm definitely paying more attention to like the timers in the north and south, which I have not almost ever paid attention to. So I gotta start measuring how long it takes me to cross the map, like, cause I was a little eager,
That's a good question.
a little over eager there. That was.
Oh boy. Oh boy, all three of them.
I was
There
a
they
little
are.
over eager. And they're gonna steal it. Steal it.
There's 4 in the south. And I got Pikachu in my mouth right now.
All right, that one is in the south now, right? But he's like a armor guy, right?
What's in the south? I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh, the
Dreadnought.
yeah.
I know.
Whoa.
That was something else. They sent the whole crew.
Mm-hmm. I'm a little afraid.
You got a Pikachu in your mouth. Get him.
I know, but that doesn't mean anything.
It means your next hit's gonna be way stronger with Hurricane or something. Or maybe it's your next attack, something like that. But no, it does. It's like it happens once in a while, and it means like your next specific type of hit.
It means something, but I don't know what. Yeah, you're right. It's got to be like immediate. Honestly, that fast move is like pretty cool.
Mine?
Yeah, it really looked funny and awesome.
I know. Like the first time I did it, I was like, this is so weird. And I was like, man, this is kind of fun. And of course, like the whole Jaws commentary.
Yeah.
Added a little spice to it. Oh, I'm kind of pretty car side.
17 seconds.
Really? Score on them? Which I probably should have done. Actually, I didn't even do it. 22. Perfect. Perfect.
The final stretch. You're on fire.
Oh, wow. Wow, there was a lot of... Wow. Holy crap. There was a ton of concentrated...
Ew.
Did they get it? That was amazing.
I got 2 of them, but they got like...
Okay.
At least it's passed. At least they don't keep this going forever anymore. Do you need help on that side? I feel like this side's a little thick.
It probably would help. But I think he's scared of me.
Yeah.
Oh, so I might die here.
Well, don't.
Okay. Good idea. They're chasing me back to my base.
I'm coming through the other
Done
way.
it. Dun, 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 dun.
Nice. Okay, nice.
That was a good like advice. It was funny. You're like, well, don't. And you're like, yeah, don't chase them any farther.
Yeah, you're good.
You chased them off. Now go back to base. And I think I got time to score, so I'm actually going to.
I hope so. I feel like you might. I think I'm just gonna be a protector. There's some money, but it's okay.
I didn't score, but I did defend. Shoot, I'm kind of hungry.
2, 1.
Yeah.
Just
I wish I got one more size pizza. But Yeah.
Yeah, close win.
Ooh,
And we were top.
top dogs. Dang, but
Jeez,
we had
we were
a
top
whole-
dogs.
we had-
14 and 16. You had 16 and you were 16 and 5. Oh my
Right? Like I really got
That's
this
a
guy.
lot.
I really did well with him. It's like
gosh.
that's
I actually like. Okay, did you record it?
yeah.
Cool,
I
because
recorded
I
the
want to
last
see
two.
it. I want to see this.
Okay.
This is cool because like I like Cramorant and I want to see how you play him, and this is gonna be fun.